Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix TikTok shop products not available. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in community.shopify.com when I found a guy who perfectly explained how to do it. TikTok app on Shopify approved products not showing on TikTok, showcase and shop. My products was on my showcase and I could add them to the images as a tagged product, but I wanted them to be also found via TikTok shop. So after many hours of trying to add my products unsuccessfully, thinking it would be as a simple click and select, I tried disconnect and reconnect the Shopify link, and now no products not show. I have numerous tickets open with TikTok and they are useless. Just get scripted replies all the time and not an actual person. Everything of mine is linked: ad manager, business center, seller shop, catalog manager, even have brand approved and TikTok shop approved and email confirmation, and still not showing. As you can see, guys, this guy answered him. I'm having a similar problem. I've only just started setting up TikTok shop, but my products are just not showing in the showcase. Even though when I look at the store manager, it says they are showing the connection is there because I can see the products. They just don't show up in the showcase tab when you look at our account. All you need to do, guys, in order to fix this problem is by going right here, as you can see, guys, in TikTok Catalog Manager, and then make sure that you have this switched, showcase your products on TikTok. Make sure you enable this option and then your products will be shown. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.